Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It's Friday. Oh, thank God it's Friday, October 9th. This is our weekly recap. Goes out to all my members as well as everybody on my email list and YouTube. You can check me out at smartoptiontrading.com. Link is in the description below. So, what's this week been like? It's been a really, really weird week. And when we talk about why, well, okay, so here's your Monday move up. Tuesday, this huge move down, closed on the lows on volume, on Trump. I'm no longer going to engage in stimulus talks. I'm done. And then 3 hours later, after the market closed, he reverses course. And here we are breaking above the 342.50 area and moving up. Bottom line is, even though volume is putrid and the action is not fabulous here, the market has broken out above resistance and looks primed to move up. Well, is it going to pull in a little bit before it does it or just keep going? Hard to say. But the market here has broken above resistance and looks like it wants to go. And we have to respect that. Volume this week, other than that big down day, has been horrible. We have options expiration next week. Hey, guess what starts next week? Earnings. Earnings start on Tuesday in earnest. So market is going to change character no matter what next week because with earnings on tap, there are going to be more names in play, and we have a lot of names coming in next week. Banks, some airlines, healthcare stocks as well, pharmaceuticals. So it gets going with a bang. What else do we have going on? Oh, it's Columbus Day on Monday. Typically, that's a quieter day in the market. So, what was this week about? And this week was really about being in the right names at the right time. And honestly, I did not trade a lot this week. The action was not best suited to the way I trade, so I dialed it back. But I made money this week. It's a solid green week. It's just not a great week, and just sometimes that happens. D Dog today finally woke up, had a nice trade on that. Finally, after consolidating here for almost 2 weeks, bounced off the 8 day and took off today. Nice move on D Dog. Great move. Square this week has been a monster, right? Another big move. Look at this move on Monday. Multiple trades on Square on Monday. Nice trades on that one. Nice move up here, grinding. This one just continues to keep going here at this point. So Square also all-time highs. And these names are the same ones that keep running over and over again. NVIDIA gave a couple trades this week, got a downgrade today, but couldn't even get to the 8 day. Incredible strength there. Beyond gave multiple trades this week as this name just continues to levitate up, up, and up, and up. And, here it is all the way up to 197. And again, look at the weekly chart. This thing has all-time highs at 239. And right now, here's your control candle. Right here, this is your control candle. You look at this candle, you come in, you put it on. What's the top? The top there is 201.88, right? We just missed that here today. That's your control point. Is it extended a little bit? Yes, it is. Is it done? I don't think this thing's done. I think if you get a dip on this thing's just going to keep going. What else was good this week, guys? Help me out here. Roku gave on, I think it was yesterday. Roku gave, on that update, two fast, lightning fast trades on Roku yesterday. Another name that's just levitating here. We talked about Square, defying gravity here. Fabulous trades on that one here. AMD had their event yesterday. Well, not so great. Potentially buying X-Link today, getting beaten up a little bit for that. We'll see if it holds the 50. The 50-day, a very important spot always on that one. Chewy this week, waking up. Beautiful breakout of this consolidation pattern today, pushing up. Nice move there. Traded that one yesterday. We had names like GME in play on a squeeze of epic proportions on news that I didn't think is all that great. You have names like Apple, which are still chopping around sideways going into their event next week. Amazon AMZN finally got loose today, pushing up as they go into Prime Day. Tends to want to run into that. Microsoft broke above the 50-day today and get a nice move out of that. FSLY, after sitting here for weeks, months with that gap, just exploded through it and extended up to new all-time highs today. And this market just continues to find names to play in. So it's a matter of finding the right names and playing them and then realizing that not everything's trading the same. Oh, Netflix gave some nice trades to us back on Wednesday as well. So it's just about trying to figure out what's in play and what's not, and not everything's the same. Not everything's is acting exactly how it's supposed to be at this point, but that's okay. This market is bullish, whether it's SPY or you look at the Qs here running, breaking out. IWM moving up into this range. My WM is in this big gap. You take a 1 year chart view on this, it's in this gap. This is a bad candle here. This is not a real candle here. This is a bad print by Thinkorswim. It's pushing into its highs, and you're seeing this market just coming alive here as we head into earnings next week. So, charts tomorrow. Everybody have a great weekend. I will catch you guys on Monday. Enjoy, relax, and yeah, next week a lot more names are going to be in play. So we'll catch them then.